Hi everybody, Lisa and Lisa here, and we're here with Kyle at the Portal Crystal Gallery in Arlington, and we're here to announce a workshop that we're going to be doing in September called Marconics, the Evolution of Energy Healing, and it's a level 1 practitioner workshop. And some of you may have already heard the term Marconics or maybe even felt the energy before, but we're also aware that this might be new to some people. So we want to do some lectures throughout the summer, and we're going to be talking about Marconics to give you a little bit more information about it.
Yeah, Marconics is a fairly new energy that became available to us in the beginning of 2013 due to the Earth changing position as it moved throughout the solar system. And in a nutshell, Marconics is a full spectrum, multi-dimensional healing modality and Ascension tool that is designed to bring you into full alignment with your higher self.
And in the lectures, we're going to teach you about the energy, and we're going to teach you what it is, where did it come from, and how to use that energy, whether you're a practitioner and you've got clients that you work with, or whether you're just looking to advance your own spiritual journey, or you want to use it for family and friends.
Yeah, and during the lectures, we'll talk about things like the shift, how to identify and support if your children are indigo, rainbow, or crystal children. We'll talk about spiritual hygiene and ascension symptoms.
And in the level 1 workshops that we'll be teaching, we're going to teach you how to draw down the energy, how to work with your own energy, and steps of the protocol so that by the end of the 2-day workshop, you are going to be completely comfortable using this type of energy either for yourself, for your clients, or family and friends.
Yeah, we'll also connect you with hundreds of other students who have gone through the workshops and become practitioners, and connect you with the Marconics community so that you can feel completely supported. So we really hope that you'll come join us for some lively discussion for these lecture series and feel the energy afterwards.
Sounds great. This is
Yeah.
Kyle talking from behind the camera, and I really appreciate the two of you coming in and introducing your event. I hope that people will have fun and that every single one of those talks that you're giving all the way up through the summer into the fall is going to have slightly different content. Is that true?
That's right.
Exactly.
So like different aspects of Marconics will be sort of revealed or discussed.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And people will be hearing sort of a presentation from you, and then there's an opportunity at the end for them to have an actual healing session?
Yeah. Yep.
Absolutely.
Yep. That can be
Very.
scheduled before or after the lectures.
Excellent. Okay, so that's great. Any last things you wanted to say just to let people know what they can look forward to? It's a good time. You can enjoy each other's company. How's that going to be?
And learn something new.
Okay.
And whether you've considered yourself a healer or just somebody who wants to learn something new to advance your own spiritual journey, we welcome everybody.
Yep.